If you are promoting your affiliate products in these three places, you're not just wasting your time, you are killing your conversions before you even start. And the worst part is that most beginners think that these places are smart because they seem harmless, but they are actually the fastest way to destroy your results. Now let's dive in. The very first place that you absolutely need to avoid is random Facebook groups and comment sections. I get it. You see a group with 50,000 members talking about weight loss, and let's say you are also promoting a weight loss affiliate product. So it feels like the perfect match, right? So you drop your link, you sit back and you just wait for people to rush, click your link, download your product, and the money begins to roll in. But here is what actually happens. First, Facebook's algorithm sees your link and instantly flags it as spam. I'm not even exaggerating. Facebook actually hates affiliate links in groups. Your post either gets buried where no one sees it, or worse, it gets removed completely. Secondly, the group admin sees your post and either deletes it or bans you from the group. And trust me, they are not being mean. They're actually protecting their community from spam, because let's be honest, that is exactly what it looks like. When I started out with selling online, one of the ways I thought was the perfect way to promote my product was dropping my links in Facebook group. Now, this is my own experience. So what I did was just the same way a lot of beginners do. I look for Facebook groups that are similar to the niche of the product I'm promoting. And what I do is I just blast my links in the comment section. I create a post and I just blast my links all day. I was literally doing it every single Facebook group I could find, as long as I can, every single day. And it got to a point, one particular day, I tried to make a post in one of the Facebook group and I just couldn't. The post didn't go through. I went to another Facebook group, the post didn't go through. I went to another Facebook group, the post didn't go through. Meaning that I was banned for a period of time from posting because my account was actually flagged for posting spammy links. And that is the same thing that happens when you do the same thing. And the worst part is that the conversion rate we are talking about is literally zero. Well, if I'm to be a bit lenient, I would say 0.0001%, which is basically zero. And you get maybe 1 or 2 clicks and 0 sales. It's exhausting, it's frustrating, and it's a complete waste of time. And here's the truth. People think dropping their links in random groups is marketing, but it's actually spamming, and Facebook punishes hard for it. So here's what you should do instead. Instead of spamming other people's group, you want to create your own Facebook page or group where you control the audience. That's if you should use Facebook at all. You want to build trust first, share helpful tips, answer questions, provide real values. Then when people actually know and trust you, you can then share your affiliate offers naturally. Or if you want faster results with Facebook as well, you can use Facebook ads. Yes, it does cost money, but at least you are reaching people who are actually interested, and Facebook would not penalize you for it. That is number one. Now let's move on to the second place. Now the second deadly place is YouTube comment sections. And listen, I know this one is super tempting because this one seems like it's really easy ticket. I mean, you watch a video about make money online or weight loss and you scroll down to the comment section and you think, wow, this video has got a lot of views and everyone watching this video is probably interested in like weight loss. So let me drop my weight loss affiliate link here. Who knows? I may get a lot of clicks. Well, bad idea. Really bad idea. And here is why. First, YouTube has an automatic filter that catches links in comments. And I'm not talking about some of them. I'm talking about 99% of them. How many times do you go to a random comment section and you see links aside the link from the creator? You rarely see that because YouTube's filter is that good. Your comment gets shadow banned, which means you can still see it, but nobody else can. And you think you're marketing, but you're literally talking to yourself. Secondly, if your comment somehow gets through, the video creator will probably delete it. Most YouTubers check their comments regularly, just like I do, and they would remove anything that looks like spam so that you do not mislead people. And guess what? A random affiliate link looks like spam, even if you initially meant no harm. I've actually done this sort of thing in the past. When I was still starting out, I felt, okay, YouTube seems like an easy ticket to get a lot of attention to my affiliate link, but I didn't do it for long because I realized that I was actually putting my own YouTube channel at a risk, because that in itself is against YouTube policies. The third thing about doing this is that it makes you look desperate. I mean, think about it. When you're watching a YouTube video and you see somebody in the comments saying, "Oh, click this link to make money," what is the first thing that pops into your head? You don't think, "Oh, wow, maybe I could make money from this." No, you think, "Oh, this person is probably a scammer." And it damages your brand, it damages trust. And in affiliate marketing, trust is literally everything. So what is the better approach here? Create your own YouTube channel. I know that sounds like a lot of work, but hear me out. When you make your own videos, you can put your affiliate link in the description of your own videos. That way, you are attracting people who are already interested in what you're talking about. And moreover, they trust you because they just watched your video, and YouTube would not penalize you because it is your own content. You do not need fancy equipment. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. All you need to do is provide real value, build an audience, and promote your affiliate product the right way. And I know it seems really simple in theory, but don't worry, later in this video, I am going to be showing you how you can start affiliate marketing on YouTube easily as an absolute beginner. But right now, let's get into the third one. And this one might surprise you because a lot of people actually think that this is personal marketing. Now, the third place you need to avoid is WhatsApp. And when I mean WhatsApp, I mean sending WhatsApp broadcasts to people who never asked for your link. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but these are my contacts. These are people I know, so they probably trust me in some sort of way. It is not spam. Well, let me paint you a picture. Imagine you are scrolling through WhatsApp and suddenly you get a message from someone you haven't talked to in 6 months. You open it and voila, it is a link to some product where you should actually pay for to buy the product. How do you feel? Annoyed, right? It's tiring. Maybe even a little betrayed because this person only hit you up to sell something. That is exactly how your contacts feel when you blast them with affiliate links. So here's what happens next, and this is just reality. They block you. And if they are being really lenient, probably you are a very close friend, they just mute you, or they ignore everything you send from that point on. And the worst part is that the click-through rate is terrible. Most people don't even open the message, and the few who do, they're not buying. They are annoyed that you're spamming them with links. So here's the plain truth. If people did not request for the link, it is spam, even if you mean well. So what do you do instead? Only send affiliate links to people who actually have asked for recommendation. So if somebody says, "Oh, hey, do you know any good tools for editing videos?" and you happen to have an affiliate link for a video editing tool that you use, that is the perfect time to share it. Or better yet, you may want to create your own WhatsApp group, your own WhatsApp community, and give value and naturally share your offers. That way, people can opt in to see your content. They are actually choosing to follow you. If they are no longer interested, they can choose to unfollow, unsubscribe, or leave the group. And if they choose to stay, it's because they want to hear from you. The goal is to reach the right people who actually want to hear from you. Remember, affiliate marketing is about building trust and not spamming links. Now, earlier in the video, I said I'm going to show you a step-by-step way, a simple way on how you can start affiliate marketing leveraging YouTube. Even as a beginner, I've explained everything you need to know about it in simple details in the video you see on your screen right now. So you want to click that and go check it out. Ciao.